A tragic incident took place in Dhepachhara area under Pecharthal Police Station in Unakoti district following the tragic demise of an 8-year-old boy who drowned in a local pond on Tuesday. Responding swiftly to the emergency call, fire service personnel, police and NDRF team started search operation and recovered the body. According to local sources, the incident occurred around 4 p.m. on Tuesday when the child went to a nearby pond to take a bath with a group of his friends. Being unable to swim, he unexpectedly slipped into deep water and began to struggle, crying out for help. Hearing his screams, local residents rushed to the spot and immediately alerted the Pecharthal Police and Fire and Emergency Service Department. Responding swiftly to the emergency call, fire service personnel from the Panisagar and volunteers from the Panisagar Civil Defence arrived at the scene to initiate search operation. As initial rescue attempts failed to locate the child in a deep water, a specialized NDRF team was summoned. Following a grueling combined rescue operation that lasted for nearly 5 hours, NDRF divers finally retrieved the child's lifeless body from the depth of the pond after dusk. The minor was rushed immediately to the Panisagar hospital by the rescue teams, where attending doctors tragically declared him deceased. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.